Hey guys, it's Jennifer Dio from Keller Williams Elevate, and I have a treat for you over here in Stow. It's a two-bedroom ranch, but it has a bonus living space, so you could use it as an office, extra living room, whatever you need it. So there's a ton of space. The master bedroom is huge. Now this one is priced to sell, so it's going to go quickly. If you need to get a showing, call me right away so we can get that scheduled and we can get that offer in for you. But let's go take a look and see what we've got.